This is how to move passwords between vaults in 1Password. So first, let's go to Vault. We'll click Add New Vault. We will name this as New Vault. Let's create a vault. Then let's go to our list of vaults. And we have 10 items here for our private vault. We'll click View Vault. And we will move this, for example, Adobe. So this is password. So I have passkey and password here. So I'll just click these three dots and click move and choose a vault you want to move the passwords. So we will choose this new vault. And let's go back to our vault and let's open our new vault. And we have moved password between vault. So if you want to move this back to the private vault, just click these three dots, click move and choose private. And let's go to private and we have the password for our Adobe here. So this is how to move passwords between vaults in 1Password.